Hi, my name is Darren Hall. I'm the Vice President of Business Development for Fargo Jet Center. We're an aviation service company based on the Fargo Airport. We're in our maintenance shop. Potential we see with NDSCS's new aviation maintenance program are endless for us in Fargo and in our region, in that we've got such a need in the aviation maintenance industry where we're seeing a shortage of mechanics today. A lot of times they'll have an internship opportunity at a company like ours, and then if they do well, we'll hire them onto the staff. Once they get their aviation maintenance technician license, the A&P license, that's a license to learn. We get them in the shop, they're safe mechanics, but then we start reinvesting in them to further their skills with manufacturers like Textron or Pratt & Whitney, where they'll go to the manufacturer and receive detailed instruction from there. Students considering a career in aviation, I really encourage them to keep their mind open. There's many different careers in aviation, and even within that, you can be a mechanic for a company like Fargo Jet Center. You can go to work for an airline like Delta Airlines. You can serve with a company that does air medical flights. So keep your mind open to maybe what part of the industry might make you passionate about serving into. So advice for students just looking to get into the aviation maintenance career is really check out the website at NDSCS, pick up the phone and call. They're more than happy to bring you out to the program, tour through the aviation maintenance hangar, speak with the instructor, and really learn firsthand in person what the opportunities are. And as they do that, we certainly welcome them also up to our facility for a tour and learn about what the real world industry looks like.